4 types of DIY squishy crafts. The first is self-made cotton squeeze. Take a tissue. Wrap the cotton in it. You can draw your favorite expressions on it. And wrap it with cling film. I like to wrap it tightly. Finally, you can decorate it with stickers. Isn't it super cute? Our homemade cotton squeeze is done. It's so good, I like it. The second is homemade Coke squeeze. Cut a piece of nano glue and stick it in half. Tear off the plastic skin. Roll it again. Roll it into a small circle, like this. Use glue, water, and pigment, baking soda, and contact lens care solution to make fake water. For a detailed tutorial, you can find the video on my homepage. Put the prepared slime and ice cubes in the bag. Look, does it look like a simulation of soda? Put on the card head. Our homemade Coke squeeze is done. Pinch it well. Raise your hand. The third homemade jellyfish squishy. On the waste plastic sheet, use acrylic marker to draw jellyfish. Then cut out the small jellyfish. Take out the solid patch glue and stick it on. Use UV lamp to dry it. Apply a shiny varnish. The little jellyfish is done. Isn't it cute? Give it some slime. Dip in some sequins. It looks so beautiful. Put it in the bag and put the jellyfish in. Stick on the cap. The homemade jellyfish squishy is done. It feels like a jellyfish is swimming when I squeeze it. The fourth is a self-made sponge squeeze. Cut the sponge for washing dishes into small squares. Take out your favorite slime. Dip it in some sequins and glitter. I also added a little pigment. I adjusted it to this look. It looks good. Put it in the bag. And put the sponge in. Stick on the cap. The homemade sponge is done. It's shiny. It's squishy.